All right, we got a Ford Escape. I think it's like a 2014. We're doing the rear wheel bearing. All right, got the pads off. Okay, so the back ones are an E14. I broke them all loose. I'm gonna see if I can get lucky and fit this gun on them. Just getting some of that rust out of there because the other one wouldn't sit. All right, and that's it. I nicked the nut here with the tire mounted on. It should be good to go. I'm just gonna put the lock right here.